You can smile, Mama? Huh? Yeah, as you can see by the date, so this is the last day. Yep, Mom has to go back to work Monday. See, aren't we all going to be sad? Huh? Aren't we? Huh? Are you going to talk to me? I got the hiccups, huh? What? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Keep talking. Keep talking. What? You don't like them hiccups, do ya? Huh? You don't like them, do ya? What? Well, say something. Say something. Come on. So you started eating vegetables on Monday, didn't ya, huh? You had sweet potatoes. You liked them, didn't ya, huh? Yeah, didn't ya? You eat all kinds of cereal now in the morning and at night, don't ya? Yeah. You're just gonna let him be quiet, huh? Huh? What? Say hi to your big brother. Yeah. Say hi, Josh. Say hi, Josh. Say, what you doing, Josh? What you doing? Say hi, Joshua. Say hi to Joshua. What? Say hi to Josh. Say Josh. Say Josh. Get him. Get him. Are you gonna smile? You gonna laugh? Are you gonna laugh? Go on. Laugh. Laugh, 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 laugh. Say, Mommy's tickling ya. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Go get ya. I go get ya. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, big boy. What? Huh? The hiccups gone yet? I don't see them anymore. So, yay, I think they're gone. Yay! Yay! You're about ready for another nap, ain't you, huh? Oh, does that mean no? Huh? Does that mean no? Oh, okay, I'll take that as a no. Well, as long as you're good. You can start getting grumpy on me, are you? Are you gonna get grumpy on Mom? Are you gonna get grumpy on Mom? Huh? Oh, wait. Oh, goodness. What about it? What about it? Huh? You see Pew over there? Yeah, you see Pew. What? Oh, you didn't want me to take the camera off of you. Okay. Ooh. What's that lip doing out, huh? Get that lip back in there. Oh, goodness. See, well, maybe we'll have to come back a little later today. Say bye to everybody. Bye-bye. Okay. All right. Oh, we can give him the lip. Okay. Say bye-bye. Okay. Floor. Aren't we, huh? Hi. Where's the baby at, Jacob? Huh? Where's the baby? Jacob. Where's he at? Peekaboo. Look how strong I am. Looky how strong. Yeah. What? What? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What are you doing? Huh? What? 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 Come on. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going to? Huh? Hi there. Hi there. What? Huh? What? Oh, you can't bite your blankie. No. He says, I'm going to give my neck a rest. I'm not going to bite my blankie. What are you looking at? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Huh? Where's the baby at? Oh. 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 Yeah. you see the baby, don't you, huh? Oh. Come on. Can I talk to you? Jacob. Hey. Hey. Move your blankie out here. Move your blankie out. Look over here. Hey. Jacob. 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 Hey, sweetie. Peekaboo. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? See, I think we're starting to get frustrated, huh? Are you getting frustrated? Do you want to play? Huh? Do you want to play? Huh? Beep. Hey, come on, say roll over. Say roll over. Peekaboo. Jacob. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? See, we just can't lay on this blankie, can we, huh? We just can't lay on the blankie, can we? Huh? Can we? Huh? Are you gonna smile? Huh? Are you gonna smile? Huh? Where you at? Where you at? Huh? Look at them cheekies. Look at them cheekies. See, you're underfed, aren't you? Huh? You're underfed. Yes, you're underfed. Look at them little cheeky. Look at them little cheekies. Huh? Okay, say bye-bye. 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 What? Say okay. Say bye, everybody. Who has you?
Where's Mommy got?
Does Andor got you? Huh? Get her. Say what?
Where's Mommy got? Huh?
Say bouncy.
I'm not good with kids, Sam.
Yeah, you are.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, where's Tracy gonna hurt you?
Say no.
Look at him coming.
See, I like that. What? You like the horsies, don't ya? Huh? Boink. Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Fuck. What's he doing?
See, I'm having fun. What? Who got you? Huh?
What are you doing? Huh? What's she doing?
Get her. You're too interested in the camera, aren't you? Huh? Say 1, 2, 3. Whee! Yeah, you like that? What's she doing? Huh? Is she mixing you like a cake batter? Huh? Get her? Yeah, you like that? No. Yeah, I like that. Who got you?
Say, Mommy, get the camera away now.
Say okay. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. Say see ya. Say see ya. Bye. Say see ya. Say bye.
Josh, stay back. Sleep. His thumb in his mouth. Good. No. You sleeping?
Yeah, but I want to take a picture of him.
No.
Please.